start.
Okay.
So today we'll discuss about cost center approval. Okay. So how we are going to achieve that cost center approval? User type is cost center manager in the PR approval. So for that, what prerequisites we have to see is so charge account. So whatever charge account you are created for your primary ledger, in that charge account, what and all segments you have, right? So usually segments, what and all segments we have: company and department. Okay, so this is nothing but cost center usually. And similarly, we have a natural account, and last one is anything, either location or intercompany anything. So these are like four segments are needed. I mean, minimum segments are needed in the chart of account. Okay. Now we will see how are we going to prepare the cost center manager approval. Okay. So for that, now I am taking one of the charge account. So I'll show in the charge account how I have structured in my system. And along with this is the first prerequisites. And second prerequisites, what we need to see is we need to see manage users. In the manage users, so who is the manager? Who is the manager? And also we have to verify what is the department which is mapped with manager. Okay, under this department, so what we need to do is we have to make a GL cost center setup that I will show in the system. So what is required? First we have to verify what is the chart of account structure. Under this chart of account structure, what and all segments you have. So because why I'm telling is this data which is helpful during creation of GL cost center. Okay, and manage users. So who is the requester? Who is going to prepare the PR? That requester manager. And we have to verify what is the manager department. Under this department, we have to go for GL cost center setup. Okay, so hopefully these things are needed in order to achieve your approval setup. Now first I'm going to show like whichever what is my user and what is the setup being that. So first sorry, before going to that users, first I'll show the chart of account. Okay, setup and maintenance. So go to financials, financial reporting structure, chart of account structures. So click on search. So this is already KFF. So go to manage structures, click on search again. You just select your what is the structure name. My structure name is 0T4. Click on edit. So we'll see these are all segments of your chart of account. When you see the chart of account, it is a combination of segments. Each segment have value set code. Suppose if I want to see the company, click on edit. You can see the value set code is this one. So these are mandatory in order to define the GL cost center. Okay. So first is company is required and also cost center department also required. So these things we just verify whether it is properly defined the system or not. Now, after this, you go to manage users. Manage users. So global search or whichever task you can select, not a problem. Manage users. So click on this. So my user means the user who is creating the PRs. Okay. So this is the one which I am using for creating the PR. So PR, if you want to create the PR, as you know, the pre-setups is like preparer, requester, and data access has to be present. Now, John test is my requester. Now, what I'm checking here is I'm checking who is the manager has been aligned with this what do you call with this user. So my manager is this guy, Faber William. Okay. Now I want to check this manager is belongs to which department. Okay. So how will check? So we'll check in manage users itself. Okay, let me copy that. Faber. So if the setup is proper, it will show, or else it won't show that.
Okay.
Okay. So Faber William is the user. I mean my manager. So
Okay.
this guy is belongs to which department? This is the department. So just copy that. Now I'm going to third setup called as manage department. Department. Search back, click on edit or just to open it. Yeah, anyhow, we need to edit that because we want to do some setup here. Click on update or correct. As you know, what is the update and correct difference? I don't want to touch that. So here the major setup is GL cost center information. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm click on plus. So already one setup is there. So I'm taking identifier as 2 and company value set, what I have shown to you, right? That is this is the company value set of my chart of account of my company. So I'm taking same, and here here if you open this, under this value set, what and all values we have defined in the chart of account. So everything will come here. Let's say 05. Okay. Now similarly, value set of department or cost center. So some people will call it as cost center, some people will call it as department. So now I'm giving same. Now here I can give whatever values which will be appearing under this value set. So I'm taking as total sales department, and if I give same cost center manager here, system will pick up this, or if you want you can give another managers also, which are those managers has to be belongs to under same department. Now time being I'm going to use same thing. Okay, so I'll show that scenario later, like in the same session only. Let me go back, let me go with Faber. Okay, now record set, company value set and cost center value set. This is the form and submit. And as you people know, for creating the requisitions, we need a rules, we need a data access along with we need, I mean, all the pre-setups, whatever requisition, BU, all those things has been properly configured in the system. Now I'm directly going to, oh my god. Okay, let me show that approval. We're going to do that, right?
Okay.
Setup and maintenance. Go to procurement approvals, manage requisition approval. As we know, we have a several stages: pre-approval, FIY, post-approval. A lot of stages are there. So now I'm taking one of the stage called as header post-approval. Click on edit. Now I build a simple rule, just a simple rule, auto approval. It is not auto approval. It is just I am adding some conditions as requisition approval amount is greater than or equal to 100 and cost center is equal to 210. And also I'll add my own cost center, correct? What cost center we are given there? Did you remember?
Yes, 210 same.
No, we given line 2, right?
Yeah, one more cost center we added. Yes.
Did you remember that?
No, no.
Okay. Sorry, I have some cold issue. So now go to department. I forget to take a screenshot of that. Manage department. I think kept this. Okay. So this is the department. Click on search. You can only trade it. Go here and verify what is my 05 and 300, correct? So
Yes.
05 is the company. 05 and 300. Now go to immediately go back to approval, edit here. So this person value is given, right? Okay. So I want to add, right? I want to add, sorry. Here, add a condition or below. Here, cost center equation distribution and value equal to 300. So now, and condition we're writing. So all the conditions has to met. Now, whenever it is met, no, we need to give or, right? Because one
Yes, yes,
chart of account,
yes. If we given and we have to meet all the conditions.
this is wrong. So we have to give that.
Or
Okay. And here, as a child, I want to keep as a or. So under this, here
cost
add a condition. Can't we move this one? Cut, copy, copy, copy this, and go here. Paste. Is it a paste? Yes, paste. Paste as above or whatever. Above or below. Below. Okay. Similarly, this also copy, select here, and then paste below. Okay. And see, these two will be under this one. Now I want to add one more R here. Are you getting right?
yes, yes.
Yeah. Add
Below.
operator above or below?
Below.
Below. Under which below?
Or
No. Okay. So this one I'll cut. Okay. So what I will do here, I'll just modify this 300. Okay. And also I'll add even I can add that also, not a problem. Select this, add a condition. As a child, you need to select. As a child, you need to correct. Okay, so we'll add this one. So requisition amount in the header is greater than or equal to something like a 200. I'll give. Okay. Now this one also cut. Put here as a child. Okay. So now see if I collapse this, this will be like here also we need to do same thing, right? Now what I have to do, this one, correct? Select this as a child. Oh no, sorry. Here this one, add a condition as a child. So it's not came up. It went, I guess. Cost center is 200, right?
200. 300, 300.
300 already done, man.
300, 210, right? 210.
210, no? 210, is it? 210, is it?
210 first
What
one,
is
and
this?
second one is 300.
Okay. So this one also cut. Select this, okay,
Okay.
and add as a child. Why it's not coming? Add below. Hmm. No, I don't know what is this. Okay, we'll add equation approval amount is greater than 100. Click on OK. Okay.
Okay.
Now just close this collapse. Yeah. That's all. See, cost center equal to this. This will execute, or whenever cost center equal to this and amount is greater than equal to this will execute.
Yes.
And dash to execute means it has to be. See here, sorry, actually I did a mistake. First one is R. Under this one, you can map any number of ends. Okay. So R means any one of the loop will give the one, system will give final output as one. Now let me cross verify. My cost center is 210, and here my cost center is 300.
300.
Now save, save and close, deploy. Now go back to equations. Okay, a minute. Okay, equations. Okay. I'm taking in order to save the time, as few people aware how to enter and all. I don't want to go in depth. See here, my charge account is 21002. So we have two conditions in the GL cost center. One is 02 as well as something 05. Let me check for 02210 how it is behaving. Okay. Here I think I have covered, right. Here after doing that condition, you have to give this one. So let me show this one. So single approver routing using, and user type you have to select as cost center. That's all. Okay. So since I have already deployed, we don't need to change anything. Okay. Now go here. So click on edit. So save the form. Now this is my conditions. So all the conditions has been met by the GL cost center. So save and manage approvals. So system has to route to that cost center manager, user type is cost center, right? Whichever GL cost center, whatever mapping you did. So as per the setup, system has to route. See, William
Yeah.
Faber. Okay. Now we will see 05. Even 05 also did, right? So let me
Yes.
create one more so that you will get idea. So what I will do, select this, go to actions, duplicate. So 05 only, right? 05 300. 05 cannot enter the card. This one is 300, correct?
Yes.
Let me see. System is giving some error
You cannot.
because of duplicate errors. You cannot enter the parent segment well, maybe because of duplicate. Okay, now I'm checking the second condition. The second condition, if I go here, oh, sorry. If I go to department, department, what second condition I'm telling, I'm taking 04310 cost center, and my cost center manager is 123 user practice. Okay, and similarly,
Yes.
cost center also you have to do some changes in the approval. That also I'll show to you very quickly. Go here, edit rule. Okay, so edit rule. So this is the best practice actually. So whenever if you have multiple conditions which are present in your application or business, so you take first one is or and put and like this. Okay. So now here my cost center is 310 and requisition amount is greater
Okay.
than 200. Now when I go and create this requisition, I'm creating now. Now what is my chart? What is my cost center here? 310 and 04 also it is
310.
met. Now just save the form. And if I click on manage approvals, it has to route to 123, not for Fabi Williams. Okay, so you can see the practice 123 user. Submit the form. So this is the way you can build approval with the user type as cost center manager. So some companies you will use job level. There are various levels, right? So this is also one kind
Yes.
of approval type. Thank you guys. Thank you, Ramna. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. So if anyone wanted to learn some of the practical things in the Fusion, please subscribe my channel so that it will be very useful for you in the procurement and volume. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.